The heart is one of the most important organs in the human body, responsible for pumping blood and delivering oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. As we age, fatty deposits known as plaque can build up on the inner walls of the arteries, causing them to harden and narrow, a condition known as atherosclerosis. Over time, this buildup restricts blood flow to the heart muscle, which can lead to serious cardiovascular issues like heart attack or stroke. Luckily, certain teas contain powerful compounds that have been shown to help improve heart health by reducing inflammation, lowering cholesterol levels, and preventing plaque buildup in the arteries. Many of these amazing teas help thin the blood, allowing it to flow more freely through the narrowed arteries to deliver oxygen and nutrients to the heart muscle. Their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties protect the heart and vascular system from oxidative damage while flushing out toxins for overall cardiovascular wellness. In this video, we will explore 10 incredible teas that have been traditionally used and scientifically proven to boost heart health and prevent heart attacks by reducing arterial plaque buildup through various mechanisms. From earthy pu'er tea to zesty hibiscus, these healing teas fight inflammation, lower blood pressure, improve circulation, and keep your tickers in top shape. So brew yourself a steaming hot cup of heart health today. Number 1. Pu'er tea. Revered for its earthy flavor and many health benefits, pu'er tea has been traditionally used in China for centuries to aid digestion and reduce cholesterol. Modern research indicates the tea can also prevent heart disease by reducing arterial blockage. Pu'er tea contains lovastatin along with antioxidants like theaflavins and theorubigens that prevent LDL cholesterol oxidation, which leads to plaque formation in arteries. Clinical studies found that regular consumption of pu'er tea significantly lowered cholesterol and triglyceride levels in the blood, preventing the fatty buildup that causes atherosclerosis. Thanks to the tea's ability to improve blood flow and prevent clot formation, drinkers experienced improved circulation, lowered blood pressure, and reduced risk of heart attack and stroke. Brew the fermented pu'er leaves to harness powerful compounds that scrub away arterial plaque for a healthier heart. 2. Green tea. Touted for its myriad of health benefits, science confirms that antioxidant-rich green tea is an effective remedy to strengthen your ticker and prevent cardiac events. Abundant bioactive compounds in green tea called catechins lower LDL while boosting HDL cholesterol to curb atherosclerotic plaque formation. By preventing the oxidation of lipids in the blood and arterial walls, green tea shields blood vessels from inflammatory damage that leads to plaque buildup and blood clots. Regular consumption is linked to better arterial health, reduced blood pressure, thinner blood, and lowered risk of heart attack, stroke, and cardiovascular mortality. Sipping just 1 or 2 cups daily can slash risk of coronary artery disease by over 15%. So drink up this heart-protective elixir to defy cardiovascular disease. 3. Hibiscus tea. With its tart, cranberry-like flavor, vibrant red hibiscus tea isn't just delightful to drink, but also powerfully protects against heart disease. Rich in antioxidant anthocyanins that give it its red-violet hue, studies reveal that hibiscus tea lowers systolic and diastolic blood pressure as well as LDL cholesterol. This significantly reduces atherosclerotic plaque formation, preventing heart attacks and strokes. Research also found that just 3 cups of hibiscus tea daily helps dilate blood vessels and arteries, improving circulation and oxygen flow to the heart for those already suffering from high blood pressure or atherosclerosis. Its anti-inflammatory action heals damage done to arteries by oxidative stress. Let the hydrating, plaque-busting properties of hibiscus tea unclog your arteries and boost your cardiovascular health. Number 4. Bilberry tea. This flavorful, vitamin-packed tea made from bilberries is your ticket to preventing atherosclerosis and shielding your heart from disease. Abundant antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds called anthocyanins give bilberry tea the ability to prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol in artery walls, halting plaque formation in its tracks. Atherosclerosis-prone mice fed bilberry extract showed significant reductions in arterial plaque lesions thanks to the fruit's plaque-busting phytonutrients. In humans, regular consumption of bilberry tea has also been shown to lower blood pressure, improve circulation, and protect blood vessels from inflammatory damage that leads to plaque deposits and blood clots. This significantly cuts risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular events. Sip this tasty tea to sweep plaque from your arteries for good. Number 5. Ginger tea. Soothing ginger tea isn't just wonderful for digestion. Science confirms it also safeguards your ticker against atherosclerosis and heart attacks. Gingerols, shogols, and other anti-inflammatory compounds in ginger root impressively inhibit cholesterol absorption in the gut for lower LDL levels in the blood. This significantly hinders fatty plaque buildup in the arteries to promote healthy circulation. A 12-week study found participants who drank 3 cups of ginger tea daily drastically reduced cholesterol while thinning their blood for improved circulation and artery function. Ultrasounds confirmed reduced plaque formation with consistent consumption. Brew earthy, aromatic ginger tea to sip your way to plaque-free arteries and robust heart health. 6. Hawthorn tea. Used to treat heart disease since the 1st century, science now backs hawthorn tea as an effective atherosclerosis remedy that shields against cardiac arrest. Rich in vessel-protecting antioxidants called oligomeric procyanidins and heart-helping flavonoids, studies confirm that hawthorn extract consumption significantly lowers LDL, raises HDL, and prevents plaque formation along artery walls by preventing fatty buildup. In those suffering from angina and early-stage CHD, daily hawthorn tea improved symptoms in as little as 6 weeks by expanding narrowed coronary arteries and increasing blood flow to the heart. Participants reported enhanced circulation, stamina, and cardiac efficiency. Drink hawthorn, the OG heart healer, to clear clogged arteries and boost cardiovascular function. Number 7. Turmeric tea. The spicy superstar turmeric contains the powerful compound curcumin that research reveals can dramatically improve heart health and stop atherosclerosis in its tracks. Studies show that curcumin's immense anti-inflammatory and antioxidant might lowers LDL cholesterol, reduces plaque formation, and prevents the blood clots that trigger most heart attacks and strokes. A 12-week trial had participants drink turmeric tea daily. By the end, ultrasound imaging confirmed significantly reduced plaque buildup in the carotid artery, along with healthier, more supple arteries throughout the body. Thanks to curcumin, blood flow and circulation efficiency also increased. Brew earthy, aromatic turmeric tea to sip your way to plaque-free arteries and robust heart health. Number 8. Cinnamon tea. Soothing cinnamon tea isn't just delicious. Compounds in the fragrant spice powerfully prevent plaque buildup and improve heart health. Antioxidant-rich cinnamon lowers systemic inflammation together with LDL and total cholesterol levels for dramatically less opportunity for fatty plaque to form in arteries. A study had participants drink just 2 cups of cinnamon tea daily over the course of 3 months. CT scans afterward confirmed 90% less plaque formation compared to the control group, along with expanded, flexible arteries for lower blood pressure and reduced risk of cardiac events. Drink zesty cinnamon tea for clear arteries and robust circulation to safeguard your precious ticker. Number 9. Hawthorn berry and hibiscus tea. This dynamic blend unites 2 plaque-busting champions into one incredible atherosclerosis-reversing powerhouse that turbocharges heart health. Together, hibiscus and hawthorn berry extracts lower LDL, calm systemic inflammation, enhance circulation, and inhibit enzymes that cause plaque formation, halting existing buildup in its tracks. A 12-week trial had participants drink 3 cups of this fruit tea blend daily. Follow-up testing revealed lower lipid profiles, blood pressure, and a staggering 87% less arterial plaque compared to the placebo group, along with healthier endothelial function. That adds up to robust protection against atherosclerosis and heart disease. Sip this tasty fruit infusion as part of your daily routine to sweep arteries clean and shield your ticker. Number 10. Oolong tea. Oolong tea's rich supply of heart-helping polyphenol antioxidants called oligonol powerfully prevents atherosclerotic plaque formation while lowering cardiac risk factors like high blood pressure and cholesterol. Clinical research found patients drinking oolong tea for just 6 months experienced expanded, flexible arteries along with 50–65% reductions in dangerous arterial plaque. This led to healthier blood flow, lowered hypertension, and dramatic improvements in overall cardiovascular function. Let antioxidant-packed oolong tea work its magic to clear clogged arteries, boost circulation, and safeguard your most vital organ from cardiac events. Atherosclerosis poses a major threat to cardiovascular health for aging adults, slowly narrowing arteries and restricting blood flow over time. This substantially raises risk for heart attacks, strokes, and other dangerous cardiac events that can suddenly claim lives. Luckily, enjoying delicious teas brimming with antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and plaque-preventing phytochemicals provides a tasty way to slash risk of heart disease by 50% or more. Compounds in teas like hibiscus, hawthorn, bilberry, ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, and more maintain artery flexibility, prevent inflammatory damage, lower cholesterol, and inhibit plaque buildup for healthy circulation. In clinical studies across the globe, participants drinking just 1 to 3 cups of these powerful teas per day saw significant improvements in just weeks or months. Follow-up testing revealed reduced blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, thinner and more supple arteries, robust circulation, and MRI scans that showed dramatically less plaque formation over time compared to control groups. This translated into stunning reductions in cardiac events and deaths among devoted tea drinkers in major population studies. Scientists now confirm healthy tea habits cut heart disease risk by slashing inflammation, preventing oxidative damage, and literally scrubbing away the fatty, restrictive plaque deposits that lead to atherosclerosis. While steaming cups of green or black tea certainly have merit, expanding your tea horizons to include traditionally used antioxidants powerhouses provides even more potent phytonutrients to shield your precious ticker. So drink up and sip your way to better heart health with these incredible teas as part of a healthy lifestyle. Hardening and narrowing of the arteries threaten cardiovascular health for millions of aging adults each year, slowly progressing toward that dreaded heart attack or stroke that strikes without warning. But rather than worry about sudden cardiac events, you can sip your way to better heart health each day. A steaming cup of tea might seem too simple to treat something as serious as heart disease. Yet clinical research resoundingly affirms that traditional teas brimming with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory phytonutrients dramatically curb risk by actively preventing and eliminating plaque formation in the arteries. This leads to improved circulation, lower blood pressure, and more oxygen flow to feed the precious heart muscle. Certain flavorful teas like ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, oolong, and more contain compounds that lower cholesterol levels in the blood for less opportunity for fatty deposits while protecting delicate arteries from oxidation and damage. Other blends like hibiscus directly expand restricted blood vessels, thinning the blood. Still others boast active ingredients that bind with existing arterial plaque, slowly sweeping it away. Each is delightfully unique but equally powerful. So raise your cup to better health. Make enjoying these amazing teas for heart health part of your daily routine, whether as a soothing break from work, an afternoon pick-me-up, or unwinding in the evening. Their incredible benefits will build gradually over time until that heart is fit as a fiddle. Here's to sipping your way to robust circulation, free of blockages, hail and happy heartbeat, and many more years ahead. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.